What's up, everybody? So I am TVL Designs, and today I decided to make me some creamer. I got me some condensed milk, and I got some half and half from Kroger because it was in my budget today. Generally, both of them run like $2 a piece, and that's pretty much the same price you would pay for the processed one. And it has oil and all kinds of other stuff in it. So why not make it and know what's in it? So here I am just adding the milk, and this is just a basic one. I'm not adding any type of flavoring. Yeah, I'm just going to use it the way it is because yeah. Now I'm going to take the half and half and add about half of it to it in the beginning. And I do it this way because the condensed milk is quite thick by itself. So to get it to really mix up well, I want to do just half of it and then I add the rest to it. Now, a lot of people like to take this and heat it over the stove. You can do that as well with the jar. I'm just doing it this way because my coffee is brewing and I am ready for a cup because I have a very long day today and a lot of my videos will be coming out and I'm going to go ahead and do some content today. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to just stir it real good. I can look at the spoon to kind of see how well it has mixed together. But this condensed milk was a really, I could tell it just kind of came in the store because the way it mixed. Okay, that's my coffee. Yes. And then we're going to go ahead and add that in there. And I'm going to get me a nice good cup of coffee and get to work. Yeah, I already have my gloves on because I have a lot of other stuff that I'm doing. But coffee first. I hope. Oh, and then you can always add whatever type of flavor you want. Vanilla, caramel, whatever. But this is the basic one. I just rather have this than store bought any day.